Hello, my name's Avery. Welcome to Outdoor Cooking, aka Cloud Cooking. And today I'm gonna make Dutch oven meals. So first, let me show you my bad boys. Okay, these are my babies, these are my toys, these are my travel and Dutch ovens. And you see right here, you see how clean it is? No, this is not clean. About that. You see how clean this one is? You see how clean it is? Hey, mom, feel it. Is it clean, mom?
Yes.
Yeah, it is clean. Yeah, thanks to blah. And right here, I got the chimneys. Yeah, so what is a chimney? It's where I'm gonna put the coals in to heat them up. And on top of the chimneys are the tables. Yes, I call them Dutch oven tables. And right now, I'm gonna lit the coals up. So you can use coals, wood. Usually I use coals because it's easier and faster. So, yeah. Sorry about this. And now I'm gonna dump these boys in the chimney. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. This is timberweed. You can buy this at Kroger or Publix or anywhere that have stuff catch on fire. So pretty much, the purpose of tumbleweed is a fire starter. I'm gonna put this on top of the chimney, better underneath the chimney, and I'm gonna light it with my match or my lighter. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's cooking good. Woo-wee. And I'm gonna do it for the other one too. Hold up. A interesting fact about me, I taught cooking at a Boy Scout camp called Woodruff for the last 4 years. And I did the same thing. It was fun some days. Some days I hated it, but hey, I had to pay bills. And see how like the smoke comes up? That means that the coals are lit. So we gotta wait for another like 5 minutes, so we're gonna be on pause. Hey, welcome back guys. Yeah, I had to use the bathroom. So right here the chimneys are getting hot. Not the chimney, the coals are getting hot. Ain't one no secret. So you get the coals from the bottom to get hot. You want to like grab the chimney. You should be wearing gloves, but I'm not wearing gloves. But hey, and you set it. Pretty much, you see how the coals are getting white. You want to get white. If it ain't right, it ain't right. Okay. So like yeah, I probably need to like add another timber to it to make it go by faster. But hey, whatever. And we're get back to the Dutch ovens, okay? So, exhibit A, this is before you line the Dutch oven. Yes. And the exhibit B is just after you line the Dutch oven. You can use aluminum foil or parchment paper that I'll use right now. Personally, I like aluminum foil, but my dad was like, use parchment paper, so like, okay. So yeah, so we're gonna give another 3 minutes. Yeah. I'm adding another one of these tumbleweeds because it's going by slow. I want to get over it. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I had to relight one of those tumbleweeds so it can go by faster. Yeah, look, fire. Very dangerous. Don't try this at home unless you're a professional like I am. Yeah. I probably need to go by the store and get more. Go in there, buddy. Go in there. That's right. Come on, light. That's right. You better burn. That's right. You better. Hey, what's up? Also, can my cameraman come here for a sec? Come. You see how dangerous this is? You see how at the fire look like about to explode? Yeah. That's the reason y'all want to be careful with this, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna see the codes again. Alright. Ah, my eyes. Yeah, the codes will be done like in a good 3 minutes. You see how white it is? What I said earlier, if it ain't right, it ain't right. So you want it to be white, okay? Like super white. Okay.